number 5. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically on the grid below and label the solution S. So first we want to graph this. Add graphs. Delete. Relation. You gotta pick relation because it's not like any of those options. 3x plus 4y. Control equals, pick the right symbol, 20. That's our first inequality. Now we want the next equality. So tab, x, control equals, pick the right symbol, 3y minus 18. Hit enter. Now we have our two inequalities graphed. They're both dotted lines indicating that any solutions on these lines, or any dots, any points on these lines are not solutions. So we want to start graphing these inequalities. So menu, trace, 5, 3, trace step. We want this 1 always when we're graphing these, so we get lattice points, so we can easily find points to graph. First, we definitely want some type of lines on this graph. Not blue. All right, black axis lines. So, and now we want to start graphing. So let's go with the first blue equation. So menu, trace, graph trace. Notice this is first equation, REL1, and it's in blue, so that means it's blue. So we start with 0 for x and 5 for y, so that's a good starting point. We want whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we want to move over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 4 to the right, 2 up. 1, 2, 8, -1. 8, -1, so way over here, and there's probably one up here. Fine. -4, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we want to put all the last points that we can on this graph. We are not going to shade in yet. We want to do the other points first, make it easy on ourselves to find these points. And we hit up, and notice it turned red, and now it's 2. And we're trying to find whole numbers here. -6, 4, so 0. 0, 6 is a good starting point on the axes. Okay, so 0 for x, 6 for y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here. Bam. Oops. Let's make it. I want to make it red. 0, 6. Y-intercept point is on the graph. So now 3, 7. So it went 3 to the right, up 1 for 7. Let's see. 6, 8. 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 8. That's just up 1. And our next one. 9, 9. 3 to the right, up 1 again. So that means it's probably going to be 3 to the left, down 1. 1, 2, 3, down 1. 1, 2, 3, down 1. 1, 2, 3, down 1. And we want all the dots that we can fit on this graph. I'm going to put lines between the blue dots. Do not connect them though. So the lines are just made to make it a little easier to see where it is at when your dots are so spread out. And now we want to label. Okay, like so. And also sketch your lines. So like so, make sure you cover all the areas you don't want to scribble, make your lines nice and neat. And now we want to answer this question. Is the point 3, 7 in the solution set? So 3, 7. So it goes x, y, right? So 3 is x. 1, 2, 3. Now up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's right here. 3, 7. So I marked and labeled that spot. And notice clearly in the blue, right? It's within the lines of the blue. Our first equation, 3x plus 4y is greater than 20. But notice that it's right basically on the dot of our second equation, and that's a dotted line. So dotted lines are when you have a dot, a point on the dotted lines, it's not a solution. So it needs to be a solution to both inequalities to be part of the solution set. So no, the point 3,7 is not part of the solution set because it is not a solution for the inequality. 3x plus 4y is greater than 20. And also you want to mark a S, as it said, in the directions where they both cross, right? Solution set right here. All right, thank you.